Hello guys, you're welcome back. I'll be bringing to you trending gist that happened in the entertainment industry during the weekend. Yes, during the weekend, Jackie's boyfriend Casamani was caught cheating. Davido also announced he has a collaboration with Nicki Minaj. And Wizkid battle Vybz Kartel in NS10 vs 10. Alright, stay tuned to get all these gist in details. BB Naija Jackie's fiancé Casamani asked for forgiveness after cheating on her. Big Brother Naija fans woke up Sunday morning, May 3, 2020 to a very disturbing, heartfelt apology letter by ex-Big Brother Naija reality TV star Jackie Madu's boyfriend and fiancé Oluwasegun Kosomani, popularly known as Kos Charming Lami. Kosomani took to his Instagram page and shared his apology piece, asking his girlfriend Jackie, who he has cheated on, probably with another girl, to forgive him in order for him to make things right again. He goes further to ask his followers to kindly go over to his girl's Jackie's page to plead on behalf of him and help him to ask for forgiveness so Jackie could accept him back. At the time of this report, Jackie has deleted all posts relating to Kosomani from her Instagram page and also unfollowed him. It's been interesting to know that she has also set her Instagram account on private so fans couldn't reach out to her. The apology post Kosomani posted on Instagram reads, "You are my lover, my girlfriend, my best friend, my heart desire and everything I sure would ever want. I cherish this love and will forever be grateful to you for making me realize what true love is. My past is something I ain't proud of. I had hurt you so much and still you stayed and loved me endlessly. My queen, usually this would have been very hard for me to do, but I'ma do it anyway. Please don't leave me, babe. You're my world, my everything, my fresh air, my morning water. Waking up to your face forever is my dream and joy. Please stop hurting me back. Don't play the games I played you. It may turn out dirty and I won't be happy seeing you, my true love, get hurt by another. For real. I am a G, yes, but I aren't ashamed to say I led you there and I will never be too big to walk myself back to the basis of when our love was the greatest. Come back to me, my honey. Fall for me again, my flower. This time, I am taking exception for you. The bullet has pierced my chest and I am bleeding badly inside out, as I have felt something I have never felt. Like I have done before, I would never make it. I want to make it right again. I promise to make life sweeter like never before and will never get caught up in the bull crap ever again. I love you. If you love to love, please go to my babe's page and tell her I'm sorry and I love her." Yeah, that's Kosomani's message on Instagram to Jackie. So it's just painful that we are unable to reach Jackie because she has set her Instagram on private, so it's difficult to get through to her. So from all indications, Jackie and her boyfriend are having issues and they are about to break up. That's if they've not broken up already. So moving on, Davido announces new album collaboration with Nicki Minaj. David Adeleke, Nigerian Afro-pop singer better known as Davido, has announced plans to release A Better Time, his new album, in July. The music superstar took to his social media page on Saturday night to make the announcement to his numerous fans. Album July, A Better Time, the OBO crooner wrote on Twitter. Davido also announced that he would be having a collaboration with Nicki Minaj, Trinidad-born rapper, which would be produced by Sparrows Beats. OBO featuring Nicki Minaj, produced by Sparrows Beats. Wow, he added. A Better Time comes about 5 months after Davido had released A Good Time, the 17-track project, which featured several music heavyweights including Chris Brown, an American R&B singer, Popcaan, a Jamaica dancer DJ, Peruzzi, Naira Marley, among others. The announcement also comes amid the coronavirus pandemic that has continued to ravage several countries across the globe. So, reacting to Davido's album announcement and collaboration, he has been called out on social media platforms by opposing fans Wizkid FC, who thought the announcement over a song with Nicki Minaj was a wrong idea. The Wizkid fan, identified as Ironia, directly told Davido in a retweet that he should calm down and look up to his fellow music star Wizkid. The young man suggested that Davido shouldn't have announced he has a new song with Nicki. Rather, the American rap diva should have done it by herself, adding that Wizkid would have remained silent for Nicki Minaj to announce such news had it been him. Meanwhile, as soon as Ironia's tweet got Davido's attention, he sent out a reply reminding Wizkid fans, also known as Wizkid FC, that he loves Wizkid, but the fans are pain in the neck and should suck his cheek. Okay guys, moving on. Still on the trending entertainment gist that happened during the weekend. Good news. BBNaija Mike Edwards and wife Perry announced they are expecting their first child. Ex-Big Brother Naija Season 4 first runner-up Mike Edwards has announced that he and his wife Perry Shakes Drayton are expecting their first child. Mike made this known in a post on his social media page via Instagram on Sunday, May 3rd, 2020, when he shared a YouTube video of him and his British wife, athlete Perry Shakes, announcing officially that they are expecting a child. Wow, that's a great one. Okay guys, moving on. Nigerian young music sensation Divine Ikubo, professionally known as Rema, has declared that money isn't one of the things he wakes up to think about. The Marvin Record youngster, who has so many hit songs like Dumebi, Bad Commando and Lady, why among others to his name, felt there are so many other priorities more important to be focused on than money. And some persons may not find Rema's statement serious, as they will assume the young man thinks so because he has finally gotten what he wanted, becoming a music star. But Rema had thought of that, even though at the look of things, making an impact and leaving an indelible mark on hearts of men matters most to him. Rema tweeted on Sunday, May 3rd, 2020, saying, "Money is not my goal." But Davido replied to Rema's tweet. You won't believe what he said. He said, "Rema, shut up," saying Rema doesn't know what he's talking about and that money is the ultimate thing. Okay, I hope a fight doesn't ensue between Davido and Rema. Okay, still on the trendy gist that occurred in the entertainment industry during the weekend. Singer Burna Boy and girlfriend Stefflon Don clash over who is better between Wizkid and Vybz Kartel. Nigerian music star and Afro-pop Grammy-nominated singer Burna Boy has clashed on social media with his girlfriend and supposedly fiancée Stefflon Don over who is better musician between Nigerian award-winning singer Wizkid and Jamaican dancehall heart Vybz Kartel. It all began after the British reggae diva and songwriter Stefflon Don, born Stephanie Victoria Allen, shared a post on Twitter expressing her excitement over the forthcoming World Boss event featuring Vybz Kartel and Wizkid and the steady dominance of the Jamaican singer in the music industry. She tweeted, "Nobody can test Kartel, no time, no day. He can only battle himself. World Boss any day, Sunday right through broadcast, Monday." Okay, and as soon as Stefflon Don's boyfriend Burna Boy cited the post, he took to his Snapchat app to counter her, stating that Wizkid is far better than a self-acclaimed world boss. And as a matter of fact, power has changed hands. Burna Boy wrote on his Snapchat story, "Power has changed hands, accept and move on. I be #1 before, no be title. I will be tuned in on Sunday to see how you feel when my brother, Wizkid kills your world boss. I feel bad about it though because I've been repping these guys a long time. But as I said, power has changed hands. We are one family still. Just hold your love. Okay, so reacting to the Wizkid and Vybz Kartel battle that went down on Twitter, Burna Boy's mom threatened Stefflon Don for defending Vybz Kartel. She said they won't give Stefflon Don visa for betraying her son by rooting for Vybz Kartel in the face-off against Wizkid. So during an Instagram live session that saw Burna Boy and his mom and crew tune in to the Wizkid vs Vybz Kartel battle on Twitter, Stefflon Don, who has been rooting for Kartel, sent in a voice note to her babe, obviously bragging that the Jamaican singer would win. Bosse, who is Burna Boy's mom, who wasn't so pleased with Stefflon Don's betrayal, reacted and stated that she would not be giving Nigerian visa for rooting for Kartel. Burna Boy, who was enjoying the battle, told her to retract a voice note so as to get on the good side of not just his mom but that of Nigerians. So on the said battle between Vybz Kartel and Wizkid, guess who won? Yeah, our very own Wizkid won the battle. Nigerian starboy Wizkid emerges winner in the NS10 vs 10 battle of hits between him and Jamaican act Vybz Kartel. The visual radio show, which took place on Twitter on Sunday night with top 10 songs from both artists, asked fans to vote in polls of rounds from hit 1 to 10. As you know, Nigerians, they turn up in the voting for Wizzy All The Way, who recorded a landslide victory. Wow. So guys, that is the gist, the entertainment news that happened in our entertainment industry during the weekend. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I was able to cover most of the event that happened. Please stay tuned to Nigerian News and Entertainment for more updates on entertainment news. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.